Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can enable dark theme in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, open the sheet of Excel and here you will see file options. Just click on it and here you can see more options at the bottom side. After that you will see options, so just click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see office theme, so just click on it. So you can see now is white theme, so after that click on black and then click on OK. Black theme is enable. So guys, in this way you can enable dark themes on the Excel sheet. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.